Looking for the best TV of 2025? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be showcasing the top 5 smart TVs that offer unbeatable value for your money. Whether you're into 4K HDR content, gaming, or just everyday viewing, stick around to find out which TV is the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Hisense U8N, a whole new level of picture quality. No matter if you're watching in a bright room or a dark one, the Hisense U8N delivers an amazing viewing experience. With its incredible brightness and anti-reflection tech, you get crystal clear visuals even in direct sunlight. And when the lights go down, the deep blacks and rich contrast make HDR content truly pop. Need speed? You got it. The ultra-fast response time keeps motion blur to a minimum, making sports and gaming feel smooth and sharp. The only downside, it has a narrow viewing angle, so if you're watching with a big group, some seats might not get the best picture. Overall, with its stunning brightness, deep contrast, and fast performance, the Hisense U8N is a top choice for solo viewers and gamers alike. Number 4. LG C4 OLED TV. Whether you're gaming on a console or hooking it up to your PC, this TV really shines with its gaming features. It has an almost instant response time, so you'll get super smooth and sharp movement in games. But it's not just great for gaming, it's also perfect for watching sports or even using as a PC monitor. Even in a bright room, this TV handles SDR brightness really well and does an amazing job with reflection management, so you'll get clear pictures no matter the lighting. And in a dark room, it looks even better thanks to its almost infinite contrast ratio. When you're watching HDR content, the highlights pop like never before. It's also great for watching with a group since the wide viewing angle keeps the picture clear for everyone. Though if you're looking at it from a side angle, you might notice a slight green tint. But honestly, the LG C4 still delivers an impressive, high-quality experience from just about any angle. Number 3. Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV. The Sony Bravia 8 takes your viewing experience to the next level. Whether you're in a bright room or a dark one, this TV performs amazingly in any setting. During the day, its impressive brightness makes sure you get clear and vibrant images even in well-lit rooms. At night, with its nearly infinite contrast ratio, every scene becomes richer and details pop even in the dark. When it comes to HDR content, the colors and highlights are so vibrant, it feels like the screen is alive. Plus, with its wide viewing angle, everyone can enjoy a clear picture from every corner of the screen. There's no motion blur in fast scenes, thanks to its instant response time. And if you're a gamer, this TV pairs perfectly with modern consoles, making it an amazing choice for gaming. The Sony Bravia 8 delivers an exceptional experience, no matter what you're watching or playing. Number 2. Samsung S90/S90DD One TV Endless Experience. The Samsung S90/S90DD is a top-tier TV that delivers outstanding performance in every scenario. Thanks to its wide viewing angles, you get stunning picture quality no matter where you sit. With an ultra-fast response time, it ensures smooth motion for sports and gaming. The low input lag gives you a competitive edge in fast-paced games, while fast-moving scenes stay crystal clear without any blur. For movie lovers, its high contrast and powerful HDR brightness bring a cinematic feel to every scene. In dark rooms, you get deep blacks and vibrant colors, while in bright environments, the screen minimizes reflections for a sharp and clear picture. Even during the day, Samsung S90/S90DD is the ultimate TV for all your entertainment needs. Number 1. LG G4 OLED TV. Imagine a TV that delivers perfect picture quality from every angle, a cinematic experience in the dark, and still stays sharp even in broad daylight. The LG G4 OLED TV does just that. If you're into movies, the HDR brightness and amazing contrast will make every moment more vivid and immersive. It's not just great at night, it also performs brilliantly during the day, with anti-glare features that keep the picture crisp, even when the lights are on. With its large screen and wide viewing angles, it's perfect for watching movies or sports with family and friends. No matter where you're sitting, everyone can enjoy the picture without any issues. Plus, the response time is so quick, it's ideal for gaming or watching live sports. You can follow fast action seamlessly. If you're a console gamer or into PC gaming, the advanced gaming features on this TV will definitely impress you. The picture quality and speed will pull you deeper into the gaming world. It's a must-have for gaming enthusiasts.